In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to set up your Gigi Seasons Christmas tree. Today, we're demonstrating our 7.5-foot Elijah pine tree, but the assembly shown will apply to any Gigi Seasons tree that uses a foot switch with LED lights. Before we set anything up, let's unpack all the parts and lay them out. You should have a tree stand, 3 turn screws for the stand, a power adapter and foot switch, and 3 sections of the tree itself. We'll be assembling the tree by fitting the center poles of each section together from bottom to top and plugging the electrical cords together one section into the next. First, let's start with the stand. Spread the feet of the stand apart into an X where the screw holes line up. Then set the screws, but don't tighten them just yet. Make sure they aren't sticking into the opening too much, otherwise your tree pole won't fit in. After you've got the stand prepped, you can remove the plastic caps from the tree poles and identify the bottom of the tree. Section A. Place the bottom section into the stand. Push the branches down, making sure each one is fully extended and in a natural position. Now we can tighten the screws around the bottom pole. Twist the screws until they're tight and your tree stands up straight. To connect the power cord, first find the cord attached to the base of your tree and plug the compatible end of your power cord into the tree cord. Tighten the fastener around the 2 plugs to ensure everything stays connected. Then plug in the power cord at the bottom of the tree to your wall outlet or extension cord. Turn your tree on by pressing the foot pedal. Next, take the middle section, section B, and place the long end of the pole into the opening of the bottom section and sweep the branches down. Now find the 2 ends of the LED light string connectors between the 2 sections and plug them together. The middle section should now light up. Twist the fastener until it's tight and the connection is secure, just as you did previously when plugging in the power cord. Finally, let's finish with the top section, section C. Place this section into the slot of the center pole. Find the light string connectors from the top and middle sections and plug them together, just like you did in the previous section, tightening the fastener to secure. Now the top section should also be lit. Extend out the top section's branches, working from the bottom to the very top of the tree. The 7.5-foot Elijah pine tree has 10 different light modes to enjoy, ranging from steady, clear lights to fun, entertaining patterns in both clear and multicolored lights. Using the foot pedal, you can select which light mode you want. To turn the tree off, hold the foot pedal down for 3 seconds. When you turn the tree back on, it will automatically remember your previous lighting mode. Now all that's left to do are the finishing touches when shaping your tree. Be sure to extend out every branch tip so your tree looks full and natural without any bare spots. And that's it. Give yourself a round of applause. Your Gigi Seasons tree is all set up and ready to decorate.